right, big news coming in from the Kashmir Valley. Remember, barely few years ago, separatism, secessionism, violent secessionism, and of course the repercussions of that in terms of violence was all too common in Kashmir. But now it appears that separatists are also realizing which is the better way out. Two more groups earlier associated with secessionism, associated with Hurriyat groups basically, just to give you a background, two more Hurriyat linked groups have taken a decision to separate from separatism. It's a play of words also I bring in here. Home Minister Amit Shah has put out a statement on that. Home Minister Amit Shah has said that Valley trusts Bharat. He's also added that separatism has become history in Kashmir, is what the Home Minister is claiming. So in total for now, 4 separatist outfits have joined mainstream. Remember, this is also important because at this point, it's not just about, so to say, becoming mainstream, but also, for example, we had the Jamaat that participated in the elections that happened in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. So, for example, the Tehreek-e-Istiqlal and 2 other groups have decided to sever ties and in many ways not fall for Pakistan propaganda anymore. I want to bring in Jitendra Bahadur Singh for the latest on that. He closely tracks the Home Ministry. Jitendra, tell me more about what is this statement. किस तरह से Home Minister Amit Shah ये कह रहे हैं कि जो हुर्रियत कनेक्टेड ग्रुप्स हैं या सेपरेटिज्म जो है अब वो हिस्ट्री हो रहा है कश्मीर में?
बिल्कुल, केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह ने अभी कुछ दिन पहले सदन में भी उनकी तरफ से बोला गया था और ये कहा गया था कि कश्मीर में जिस तरीके से सेपरेटिस्ट एक्टिविटीज हो रही थी वो लगातार कम हो रही हैं और पिछले कुछ दिनों में हमने देखा है जिस तरीके से जो हुर्रियत से जुड़े हुए अलग अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, आज भी 2 ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने ये कहा है कि हम हुर्रियत के साथ नहीं जुड़ेंगे। इससे पहले 2-3 दिन पहले इसी तरीके की जानकारी आई थी कि वो भी हुर्रियत से अलग हो रहे हैं। तो इस तरीके की जानकारी केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह की तरफ से उन्होंने एक्स पर पोस्ट करते हुए बताया और ये कहा है कि जिस तरीके से सेपरेटिज्म जो है लगातार वहां पर जो बढ़ रहा था उससे अब लोग मुंह मोड़ रहे हैं, लोग लगातार विकास की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। और हमने ये भी देखा कि जो स्टोन पेल्टिंग या फिर टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज होती थी कश्मीर घाटी में उसमें भी काफी कमी आई है। स्टोन पेल्टिंग तो 0 के आसपास हो गई है। तो इस तरीके से केंद्रीय गृह मंत्रालय लगातार वहां पर काम कर रहा है, सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस भी काम कर रही हैं और कोशिश किया जा रहा है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा वहां पर डेवलपमेंट हो, जो सेपरेटिज्म में लोग लगे हुए हैं वो उससे दूर हटें और यही सिलसिला लगातार इस वक्त चल रहा है।
जितेंद्र हमारे साथ बने रहिए। जस्ट टू गिव यू अ बैकग्राउंड टू द व्यूअर, इट्स ऑल पार्टीज हुर्रियत कॉन्फ्रेंस व्हिच वाज सीन एज अ कोलिशन, one strong at a point that they would release a calendar. For example, Gilani's faction and Kashmir had to be shut. Joining me now, Mir Farid, for the latest on that. Mir, Farid, tell me about what precisely, if you have information about which are these 2 groups, how is Home Minister Amit Shah now saying that more and more secessionist, anti-India or separatist groups are becoming mainstream?
Well, Pooja, as you know, Hurriyat Conference was a conglomerate of or umbrella organization of multiple small separatist organizations. Now, major ones, of course, being the party of Mir Waiz Umar Farooq, and then you had Tehreek-e-Hurriyat of Saeed Ali Shah Gilani. But then there were various small constituents, and it seems these 2 parties were one of those small constituents of the Hurriyat Conference. Now, we know after Article 370 abrogation, there was a massive crackdown against the separatist ecosystem. Top leaders were arrested, rank and file was taken care of, offices seized, and separatism or separatist activity came to a grinding halt. And just 2 days back, the Jammu and Kashmir police has once again started that crackdown with raids on separatists and their sympathizers. Now it seems that all that pressure, and then to add to that the kind of peace that Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed, and especially Kashmir, in the last 4-5 years, with stone pelting coming to 0, militant-related incidents at their lowest ebb. So obviously it seems that all those things have inspired these small constituents, and they have decided to part ways with the Hurriyat Conference generally as far as parting ways with the separatist ideology is concerned. So obviously Amit Shah the Home Minister taking credit, because most of it has been done by the Home Ministry's clear directions to the security forces,
as you're telling us,
various agencies.
Yes, one Tehreek-e-Istiqlal is what we are picking up, and also J&K Freedom Movement, JKFM, have given out statements. Remember, that means a lot of back-channel talks and strategies have been used over the past few years to ensure ideologically also these groups can become mainstream. But let's also remember that it must be a continued progress, and in the days to come also the government must ensure its focus on Kashmir and not just simply sit and feel that all is well in the valley. Fareed and Jitendra, thank you very much for now.